people, it's Ron back with another video about my favorite drone of 2020, the Mavic Air 2. The very successful follow-up to the Mavic Air 1 drone released, I believe, in 2018. So this followed up about 2 years later. It has a lot of upgrades to that first model. I've already made other videos about all this, so I'm not going to, go into all the details, but just to say that this is a substantially better drone than the Mavic Air 1. I know people don't like the body redesign, or some people don't. They like the look of that first one, but inside, this is better in almost every way than the first one. But it also kind of rivals the Mavic 2 series in many ways, as far as flight time and range and other camera features. So it's a very capable drone at a starting price of $799. I will include a link below to purchase it either on Amazon or through DJI, and it's very much worth the asking price, especially if you're upgrading from a lower quality drone. I should say lower quality, but lower price drone like the Mavic Mini, which is a great drone, or maybe something like the FIMI X8 or the Hubsan series of drones, or anything in that ballpark there. Even if you have a pair of Anafi, I don't know if the camera is a whole lot better than the Anafi, but it's much more capable as far as flight time and range. This video is about how well it performs in low light. Like, I really didn't, because it has a 1.5 inch sensor, not the 1 inch sensor of the Mavic 2 Pro. I didn't know how well it would do in a low light situation. So I got this little clip. A part of this clip was in a comparison I did between the Mini and the Air a couple weeks ago, whatever, but kind of expanded it and edited it a little bit. And I'm flying after the sun has dropped below the horizon. But it was some good afterglow that night. But I mean, it really did a great job of capturing it. And then I actually turned away from the light to just the light from the city comes toward Atlantic City, and it even looked good too. Now, don't get me wrong. There's a lot of noise in this video. Maybe I'm going to go back and try in a later video where I use the noise reduction feature in Final Cut Pro to see if I could take some of that digital noise out. But in this video, I just wanted to show you what it looked straight out of the camera without me doing a whole lot of editing to it. So again, you will see digital noise, especially if you watch it on a blown up like a 27-inch 5K iMac, or if you have a Windows monitor that's 30 inches or bigger. Yeah, you're going to be able to see the digital noise. I mean, it's not as good as the Mavic 2 Pro, but again, for my expectations, which weren't very good. I mean, and when you watch on a mobile device like a phone or an iPad, I mean, it kind of really looks good. I think it was a lot of good color in the sky that night. So watch the clips that I'm about to show you. Let me know what you think, and I'll probably be back for a final conclusion, but. Was quite pleasantly surprised at how well it did in a low light, especially as compared against the Mini, which of course has a different sensor, whatever, a smaller sensor. But again, I was really surprised that it did this well. Again, I know there's a lot of digital noise. I may be able to take that out in something like Final Cut Pro, which I know has a noise reduction filter that I can apply in it. But anyhow, I'm pleased with it just straight off the camera. Again, especially if you're watching in a smaller device like a phone or an iPad or something where you're not as, you can't see all the detail, which shows the detail of the noise. But let me know what you think of the Mavic Air 2's low light performance. And you know, which is all this video. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up on the way out. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that bell notification for more videos on the Mavic Air 2 Mini, Mavic 2 Pro. You know, a lot of other camera drone related stuff. And we will be back, and we will see you on the next one.